Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. This is our part 2 video. I want you, before watching this part 2 video, you go and watch our part 1 video. This video will be very much helpful for all of you, and I also want you to join our platform because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. For joining our platform, you need to hold your drawing in front of your chest and you need to send a photo with your face and your drawing picture. So send us, don't wait. You be a part of our art gallery and share the channel more and more so that the many people watch you and watch us. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching us.
So let's start our part 2 video, watercolor, learn from your mistake. In our part 1 video, we have shown how to color the sky and horizontal bushes. Now in this video, we are going to show how to color the land and the river. So go and watch our part 1 video first to learn the sky and the horizontal bushes coloring. While I am doing the sky, this blue, the red mark is showing this blue part is not looking good. So for in the part 3 video, I will show you how you can manage if you are doing a mistake in watercolor. So if you right handy, keep your palette in right side. If you are left handy, keep your palette in left side. And take any object to keep just under your watercolor board. Under your watercolor paper that your board looks slanting, your board needs to be slanting while you are doing watercolor. Here in this video, I am going to hold the palette in my hand so that you can understand the color mixing from your close views. But while you are coloring, don't hold your palette in your hand, keep the palette on the floor. And before start coloring, all the color cabinet where you are pouring the color, you just give water on it so that the color starts melted and you can easily use. So look, I am mixing the color. This is the lemon yellow color. Take the lemon yellow, don't use directly that color, and take enough water and take little bit of gamboge yellow. Both the yellow you mixed. You can see I have taken color as well, the water, but don't take much water that color gets down like a sky. For the sky we need more water, but for the land we don't require that much of water. While you are coloring the land, be very careful. This color should not touch the bushes. The green bushes should not be touched with this color, otherwise that green color comes into this yellow color that you are doing right now. So leave it a little thread like white line at the end of your drawing. When it is dried, you can again retouch to fill that white line with the same color. Now take little bit of green, sap green on it, and try to deep the color. The more your land will be closer, you need to deep the color. Don't allow your color while you are giving stroke, applying the color, don't allow it to completely dry, so that your color mix very nicely. Now take the palette again and take the sap green color. Take more sap green color. Here there is more sap green, less the yellow, so it will be color will be darker. So you can see the color has got his darkness. So you can see I have colored far close to the horizontal area is lighter. The more I have come closer, the color is getting darker. That is the main rules for the watercolor. Now take more sap green. You can see I am taking more sap green, taking more color, little bit of water. And now this is burnt sienna color, means brown color. Its name is burnt sienna. While you mix, the color looks very dark. Here you can see dark color. So the more land is getting closer to you, coloring is more dark. And see all the coloring I'm placing how nicely. Now I have chosen the Viridian color on my palette, Viridian and sap green, so color is getting that much of darker. You can see that Viridian color mixed with in the same places I am mixing all the color. Now in that color just mix the blue color, cobalt blue I am mixing over here, and cobalt blue mixed with this Viridian, it is getting more dark, I mean darker. So you have understood the far is lighter and the closer ones are darker. Now we will color the water. So look very carefully how you do the watercolor, what technique you use for the watercolor. I mean the river. For river, what technique we are going to use? So take this light green color and look. Same way, don't touch the land. If you touch, that green color comes in your river. Here I want a difference, so you leave it white. Now take the blue color and I want to show you how you have to color. Just need to apply the color once. Now you just have to take the brush and give it like this. Yes, so it shows that reflection. It is what? This is the reflection. So reflection is coming. So in the water you have seen the reflection is coming like that way. So it is not yet finished, but don't touch the closer lands. You can see I have touched it a bit, so the green color is coming out. So keep control on that. So let it be dry, so you can apply the next tone. So here, so for that reason we are going to color the heart. So for you take this Scarlet Lake, very light. You have to take very light because house is very far. Take little bit of yellow on it and take water. So look, in the left sides of the roof I am applying the color, and I am leaving the right side to show the light is coming. Same for this. Now the same color you take, and if your river is dried, then just leave the little bit of touch with the same color to show the reflection of the house in that river. So it should be in the same line where is house. You can see exactly in the same line in the river I am giving the tone. My river is dried, so now there is no problem. You can apply the color. If it is dried, then the color, there will be no chance to smudge. Now this is burnt sienna color, brown color. I have taken the color but less water. Just I am giving a line, just line. Just touch the line. You can understand. Now you have to take water. You have to take water. Take little bit of blue, very light. You can see very light. Just like a sky you did. The color you have to make the color lighter at the bottom. Upper portion means under the roof. The color is getting darker because of the shades. Look the house the way I am doing. You have understood. Now take the Prussian blue color. Don't mix water. Prussian blue with the burnt sienna. The color is getting dark. The color is getting enough dark. Burnt sienna and on the Prussian blue. And now you do the door. There is a water, so don't touch too much of color. Just a little bit of touch is needed. Exactly look where I am touching. And now make the color in your palette. Look very carefully. Take this light blue color to show the door reflection in the water. But here you don't have to use that brown color, because here we need very light color, because in the water the reflection is getting lighter. Now with the very light tone, just give a line to show the water is floating. Little bit of touch. Now dark blue, little bit dark touch at the closer, because what I told you, the closer, the more you will be closer to your drawing, the things will be darker. So river, it is closer one, so here is the blue is getting little bit darker. Now take viridian color, lace water, burnt sienna. There is a lace water. You can take a very little bit of water. You can see now. You can give some grasses. My land is not enough dried, so I have to be very careful. The color should not merge. You can see. Don't do the grasses for the opposite side of the river, because that is very far. So if the river, the grasses are far, you cannot see like that. So these grasses looks good while you are doing in the closer land. And here just give a little bit of tone, just tone. You can see very light, but that tone will be very lighter, very light, very gentle way. If it is dark, then it doesn't look good. So very gently, very light. So here I am doing. Now you can see I am just filling that white part, and you can see that I made the grasses for the closer land and put some shadows on it. Look, here I want more dark to look complete. So here you can see very gently I am doing, not doing much. Little bit of grasses touch, only little bit of touch I am giving. Not more, little bit. You can see little bit, and that reflection is coming on the water. You can see like this, the reflection is coming. So that looks the river more realistic. This much for this part 2 video. Now is your turn. You need to continuously watch this video to learn this. In our part 3 video is coming soon. In that video I will show you how to color the trees. I hope this video will work for you. Look the painting very carefully. Concentrate how I have done, how soft the painting is. You need to give enough water and mix enough color to look your painting look very soft. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.